Hello, I'm Tommy Chamberlin, and I'm a candidate for Pike District Judge in Division 2 here in Pike County. I'm going on my 16th year as Chief Assistant Pike County Attorney, which gives me the longest public service record of anyone running for District Judge. Now, as Chief Assistant Pike County Attorney, that means I'm a prosecutor. Well, who do I represent? Well, we represent the people of Pike County, the people of Kentucky, against those who commit criminal offenses in our county. Now, the big issue politically this election season for these type of offices has been, how will the courts handle repeat criminal offenders? Well, what I'll tell you, my focus has always been on repeat criminal offenders. Those who violate their court orders, whether it be just court orders, bond orders, or those who violate their probation. I've consistently asked the court to hold those people accountable and to impose proper punishment, whether that be a jail sentence or a jail sentence probated that they go have to complete rehab and address this issue and stay there, and if they leave, then without completing, they'd have to go back to jail. Now, all of my opponents and anyone running for district judge would tell you, hey, they're going to be tough on crime. I learned something from my parents a long time ago. Talk is cheap and actions speak louder than words. And what I would tell you is my actions have been speaking very clearly for the last 16 years on me for this issue. I've consistently taken an approach of being fair but firm and being tough on repeat offenders. Now, how do you know, if you're not part of the court system, how do you know that what I'm saying is true? I tell you, there's two easy ways to look at this. Number one, I always like to show people the form I use every day in Pike District Court. This is a simple form. It has blanks here for me to fill out because we handle about 6,000 cases a year. We don't always have time to go type up a nice pretty form. And I fill these out every day when somebody when they have violated their court orders, they've violated their probation orders, and I ask the judge to hold them accountable for doing that. Also, another way to indicate my handling of criminal offenses is that I work for the county attorney. We have 3 candidates running for county attorney, and all 3 candidates for county attorney have said that if I don't win the race for judge, that I will be retained as Chief Assistant Pike County Attorney. And in this particular issue, if they didn't have confidence in me to handle criminal matters, they wouldn't be doing that. Now, I've also been asked, if I'm district judge, what changes would I make in the district court? Well, there's one primary thing I do want to point out, and it has to do with these repeat offenders. Most people in our county probably have no idea that the law changed a couple years ago, and that pretrial officers give someone charged with a crime a risk assessment, and that they are given the ability to administratively release a criminal defendant on a criminal charge without that criminal ever having to see a judge, a prosecutor, or even them contacting a judge about releasing them. Now, I can't change the law on that, but the one thing I could do as judge is order the pretrial officers that if they release someone that has court orders, that has probation orders, in other words, they're a repeat offender on a new charge, that they are required to contact the court or contact the prosecutor's office and advise them that they've done that. That way the court can take appropriate orders on their repeat offenses. My name again is Tommy Chamberlin, and I've been serving our county for the last 16 years, and I hope you'll give me the opportunity to continue to serve as our Pike District Judge. I'm on the ballot, last name, on May 22nd. I'm last on the ballot, but I'm first for Pike County. Hope you'll consider voting for me. Thank you.